So now I'm doing a demonstration of how to use Updraft to do the backup, restoration, and migration. So let's see this website, migration-test.noventum.us is an empty WordPress site. Then we go to the dashboard, and I have already installed UpdraftPlus. Let's go to the setting now. In the setting part, I choose a SFTP/SCP method as a remote storage, and I back up to the local host here. And the local host means that there's the same server that is hosting this website. So because this site is a website, it's just a demo, so it's okay to back up to the local host. If there's a live site, then I recommend not back up to the local host. So here's I enter the SSH key credential, then the directory path backup to is this. So let's navigate to this directory and check what we have there. So that we can see the latest timestamp is March the 4th, 9 p.m. 16. Then in the other settings, we need to check plugin, themes, uploads, WordPress core, and any others. In the expert settings, make sure you check the delete local backup, because for this case, the local backup is same as a remote storage, so there's no need to backup too. Save setting. Then we do a backup now. So this site is an empty WordPress site, so it should be very fast. It's finished. Then let's see what we have again. So we can see this new backup archive just created as like here. So now I'm gonna change something in this website. So let's see the sample page. Let's open the front end of the sample page. It's looking like this. Now I'm gonna change something. Let's say sample 123 page. Update. Then we can see it's changed. Now I'm gonna do a restoration to restore before it's changed. See, this is the archive we just back up. Then we click restore. Check them all. See, those are the same components as I described in this slide. Okay. Make sure you uncheck override wp.config.php, because if you override that, the WordPress will not be able to recognize the database anymore. And it's downloading the backup file, and click restore. It should be very fast because this is a very small website, and it's restored successful. And go back to the Updraft configuration. Remember to delete the old directories. You don't want those old directories still existing because your website has been changed. Now let's refresh. See, it's restored, and I refresh this page again. It's also restored. This is the backend of this page. Okay, now I'm gonna do a migration from the hd.noventum.us to the migration test.noventum.us. So for now, the migration test.noventum.us is still an empty WordPress site. So after the migration, so this website should be look exactly the same of this website. So let's do this. First, we go to the dashboard of the hd.noventum.us. Go to the Updraft. Let's see the setting. So the setting will do using the same remote storage SFTP/SCP, and it's also backup to the localhost. So Here, this localhost and this localhost is the same server because those two sites are on the same server machine, but they are backup to different directory. So let's navigate to the directory path where the ht.noventum.us backup to. Let's navigate to there. And do a backup. This website is also very small, so it should also very fast to finish the backup process. And when it's finished, there should be an archive that is showing the current timestamp.
There's supposed to be an investigation or something? I don't know.
It's almost done. Okay, it's finished. And you see this is a backup archive I just created. And now I'm gonna use this backup to migrate to this migration test.noventum.us. So let's see, where is it? So this, you see, this is a backup archive of this. See the same timestamp. Now we will copy them. Copy all of them. The star is a wildcard, and we copy this to the directory path of this. Okay, then we navigate to this directory path, and it's already there. And now we need to do a rescan remote storage. And it's found. So this is the same timestamp here versus here. So instead of doing restore here, now we want to do a migration here. Click restore an existing backup set onto this side, and this is a correct timestamp. Click restore. Check those all. Also, make sure you uncheck override wp.config.php file. Go to next. And this checkbox you need to check because you need a search and replace step because we're doing migration and there's some there's change in the wp.config.php file. And also there's we need to replace the old URL with a new URL. Restore. Should be very fast. Okay, restore success. So notice UpdraftPlus is also using the term restoration here, but actually this is doing a migration. So there's a little bit misuse of term by UpdraftPlus. Then return to the UpdraftPlus configuration and log into the dashboard.
When I talked to them at the time, I said I paid all of my bills.
And also you want to delete the old directories.
And they gave me some excuse about I don't really know where.
And we refresh this website, and you see now it becomes exactly same as this. So this website has been migrated to here. It's like a cloning. So the final step I want to do is that migrate it back to the original empty WordPress site. So let's see, the timestamp we made here is this, and migrate here and restore. Check them all. From my experience, I never check this box override wp.config.php. Click next and restore. Return. Delete all directories.
The only reason my account balance isn't higher is because I
Then
have a bunch
we
of
refresh.
DirecTV themselves.
Now it's back to the empty WordPress site.
My services
And also you see the sample page. It's still a sample page. So that's good. Okay, thanks for watching.